Hey lads, TechScanning here. So on the 26th of February, Xiaomi will introduce its Xiaomi 13 series globally, which will include three models: Xiaomi 13, 13 Pro and 13 Lite. We already saw the Xiaomi 13 and 13 Pro back at the official launch event in China last year in December. However, different rumors suggest that Xiaomi is also working on Xiaomi 13 Ultra device like the last year. And finally, we got our first look at the Xiaomi 13 Ultra thanks to an alleged leaked image. The image is circulating on Chinese social media platform Weibo, showing a handset with a large circular camera island alongside Leica branding on the back of the phone. And as per the early rumors, we can spot the 4 camera sensors and a LED flash, while the remaining rear panel seems to be covered with vegan leather. Though as a whole, we can say the rear design of the handset is largely similar to its predecessor, the Xiaomi 12S Ultra, but there are some small changes. Like the back panel of the handset is divided into two parts, where the upper half is slightly raised, which makes the camera module less protruding. Anyway, as this image came from an unknown source and we are unsure of its reliability, so I would suggest you to take it as a pinch of salt. But let me know what you think about this design in the comment section below. According to a reliable tipster, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra will be a beast phone in terms of camera performance. It will use the same Sony 1" sensor size, the Sony IMX 989, but of course with even better optimizations than the last year. While Xiaomi will use the 50 megapixel Sony IMX 858 for the other three rear camera sensors, these will include ultra-wide 3x telephoto and a periscope sensor with 5 times optical zoom. Worthy to mention here, some early rumors suggested that the Xiaomi 13 Ultra will also bring some crazy digital zoom. And if this happens, it will be interesting to see what it will offer against the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra's 100 times digital zoom. Thankfully, unlike the Xiaomi 12S Ultra, the company had already confirmed that the model will launch globally too, as it will be absent from the Xiaomi's 26th of February launch event. So probably the Xiaomi 13 Ultra will see the daylight in July like its predecessor. Of course, I will keep you informed for all the latest updates, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.